Nurse. Just another word to describe a person strong enough to tolerate everything and soft enough to understand everyone. It is indeed a high blessing to be first and last to witness the beginning and end of the life. In ancient time, the hospitals were horrible dirty places and the sick were looked after at home. And girls were not preferred to take care of men. One who gives care is looked down socially. Care of the sick was still closely allied with superstition, religion, and magic. People used to believe on tantrics much more than the healthcare facilities. During this dark period of nursing, on 12th of May 1820, a baby girl was born in a small town called Florence in Italy. She was the daughter of well-to-do English parents and they wanted her to become a socialite, but she preferred to avoid it. Florence was active in philanthropy, ministering the sick and poor in the village near her from a very young age. When she determined to pursue her true calling, Nightingale approached her parents and told them about her ambition to become a nurse. They were not pleased and discouraged her in many ways. After much of the struggles with her family, Nightingale enrolled herself as a nursing student in Lutheran Hospital, Germany in the 1844. She returned to London after her studies and took a nursing job in Middlesex Hospital, London. She was highly dedicated and impressive in her performance, and hence she was promoted as a superintendent within a year. In October 1853, the Crimean War broke out between England and Russia, which caused massive casualty and injury to the soldiers. The injured soldiers were taken to various base military camps, but England was in an uproar about the neglect of their injured soldiers. Nightingale received a letter from the Secretary of War in late 1854 asking her to organize a corps of nurses to take care of the sick and fallen soldiers in the war site. Nightingale rose to her calling and quickly assembled a team of 34 nurses and sailed with them to Turkey, where her duty was assigned. In Turkey, she was shocked to see the overcrowded, unhygienic hospital. Effort and knowledge brought down the death toll of the wounded soldiers by 2 out of 3. When she was back to London, she was met with a hero's welcome, and the Queen rewarded her work by presenting her an engraved brooch that later came to be known as the Nightingale Jewel. She was also given a cash award of $250,000. She decided to use the reward money to further her cause. In 1860, she funded
the establishment of St. Thomas Hospital, and within it she started the first training school for nurses named as Nightingale Training School. Thereafter, Nightingale became a figure of public admiration. Young women aspired to be like her, and in people of upper classes started enrolling at the training school thanks to Florence Nightingale. Nursing profession was no longer frowned upon by the upper classes. In fact, viewed as an honorable profession. निकली थी एक चिराग लेकर, चिराग बन जाऊंगी सोचा न था। शुरुआत तो बस एक मरहम से की, आज इलाज से जुट जाऊंगी कहीं सांसों की, ये तो सोचा न था। ऊंचाई के शिखर पे पहुंची हूँ आज, हर जगह मेरी परछाई है। अब वक्त बदला है और यहाँ हर किसी को मेरी ज़रूरत समझ आई है। कई वर्ष पहले बस GNM ANM तक सीमित थी मैं, अब दुनिया में बदलाव ला चुकी हूँ। PhD को भी हासिल कर चुकी हूँ, नुस्खों से लोगों के जुड़ गई हूँ। पहले स्पर्श से आँखों में उजाला करती थी, आज दवा से भी दर्द को कम करना जानती हूँ। मैं MSc को भी हासिल कर चुकी हूँ, थ्योरी और प्रैक्टिकल के मेल को समझती हूँ। रिसर्च में भी उपलब्धियाँ पा चुकी हूँ, सिर्फ इंजेक्शन टैबलेट तक ही नहीं, अब टेक्नोलॉजी को भी मैं समझती हूँ। आज कॉलेज भी अधूरे हैं मेरे बिना, क्योंकि आगे की पीढ़ी के ज्ञान में भी सहयोग जो मैं दे रही हूँ। आज कहाँ तुम्हें मैं नहीं मिलूँगी। नर्स, प्रोफेसर, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर, काउंसलर, रिसर्चर, माँ के दर्द और बच्चे की चहचहाट से जो जुड़ती हूँ, मुझे मिडवाइफरी और पीडियाट्रिक नर्स कहते हैं। जहाँ एनाटमी एंड फिजियोलॉजी ECG की तारों से जुड़ती हूँ, मुझे मेडिकल सर्जिकल नर्स कहते हैं। जब किसी के इमोशंस और साइकोलॉजी से जुड़ती हूँ, मुझे मेंटल हेल्थ नर्स कहते हैं। जहाँ लोगों के घरों से बीमारियों को दूर करती हूँ, तो मुझे कम्युनिटी हेल्थ नर्स कहते हैं। उन सरहदों पे भी जब किसी की मुस्कुराहट बनती हूँ, मुझे मिलिट्री नर्स कहते हैं। बस अपने देश में नहीं सिर्फ, बल्कि फॉरेन में भी पंख अपने उड़ा बैठी हूँ। देख रहे हो एक चिराग लेकर जो निकली थी, कहाँ तक मैं उसका प्रकाश फैला चुकी हूँ।